What's up with it, fam? Welcome back to the channel, man. And we are gonna do a POV drive in my 2000 Mustang GT. It's also cammed, full bolt on, headers, tune, exhaust. Just need a throttle body and it'll be basically all the way full bolt on. That's it. But finna give y'all a startup, and my GoPro's on has 1 bar, so you know what I'm saying. Hopefully this thing don't cut off on me or nothing. Thought it was charged up. I charged it up the other day, but it is what it is. So we finna go and get this started up, and it's rough because it doesn't really idle by itself all the time. So that was my power inverter. I got it plugged up, charging my camera, and I can only let one window down. This one, you can see it has some serious power. Yeah, the car has some serious power, man. I'm not even gonna lie. I love it. I don't know how much horsepower it makes. I just feel like, I honestly feel like my car is not at its full potential on the power level, just simply because it needs to be retuned bad. The car's running rich, running real lean. It needs to be retuned. There's a lot of stuff, man. Needs to be retuned, throttle body. It gets stuck because like the way they have like some old adhesive glue or something on there. I got a lot of situations, a lot of problems I need to get fixed with this car. That's one of them. Needs new spark plugs, coil packs. I already have some in the trunk of this car right now, MSD coil packs. That and the throttle body. I just need to quit being lazy, find a day where I can put them on where I'm not gonna be too busy. Need the best products, man. So shout out to Lamar for that. I really needed me a shifter. I hit him up on Instagram. I asked him how good were they. They was like, yeah, that's a good shifter right there. And look at that Ford Lightning right there. That's crazy. He had the same idea as me. Oh, he spent around. Oh, he spent. Oh, we cutting up today. It's nothing like it, bro. And if you somebody who wants to get a fast American muscle car, you know what I'm saying, that's not gonna just hit you in your pockets. Man, I got this off my cousin. Like I said, the car has some problems, true enough. Sometimes it doesn't want to idle by itself. That's a situation that can be fixed by just getting the car retuned, simply. But $4,200, man. I got a car that's full bolt on. $4,200. And it has 373 gears, man. You can't beat that. And also, like I said, I have problems where I certain, you know what I'm saying, more problems outweigh the good in the car, which is true. Because, you know, I can't let this one down. That's why I only have that one down. But, you know, it is what it is, man. It's still an amazing buy. $4,200, bro. You cannot get no better than that. No better. But, yeah, I love it, bro. It's amazing. Just let y'all hear this exhaust. Honestly, this feels good. Just a day like this is beautiful. It's a Sunday. Just on them back roads, just cruising, bro. I promise you, it's just, oh my God. But if you want you a cheap car that's not gonna hurt you, go on Facebook Marketplace, be looking on there. Guarantee you can find something, man. And a Mustang is not a bad buy. I know a lot of people talking about Mustangs, bad handling, stuff like that. Prime example, when I just swung my car like that from that stop sign, you know what I'm saying? My car didn't get too out of hand or nothing. You know what I'm saying? Cause like, it's just all about knowing how to drive your car. And Javen, like when his car did that, you know what I'm saying? If it was another car over there, Javen would have hit. But he know his car spinning around like that. He was like, fuck, I'm gonna spin it around some more. See how he spent it around, then got it back straight. Like, it's just all about knowing your car, man. A lot of people say this and that about owning a Mustang. Oh, Mustangs are known for running to crowds and this and that. No, you just got some dummies who are buying a cheap car or buying a car just because of the name and knowing they got a lot of power and don't know how to drive it. You know what I'm saying? You gotta know how to drive it. We were born into this type of stuff, man. Like, I love Mustangs ever since I was a kid, especially New Edges. New Edges were my favorite. I bought blue because I wanted a new edge that was blue. This blue is my favorite color. And it turned around and, you know what I'm saying, a couple years later, got me a GT. So, it don't get no better. I swear it's nothing like owning a car like this, bro. Especially like when you see little kids and they be like, man, I want a car like that, girl, when I get older. Because it feels so good, because that used to be me. I used to be that kid. Like, oh, that's going to be my car when I get older. I used to be that kid, bro. Now look at me. I'm not the most successful person in the world, but my life done changed. And over, like I was telling him, like, man, a year ago, man, we weren't even looking like this a year ago. A year ago, man, I'm talking about, he was in a Honda, I was still in blue, broke, had a job getting paid every 2 weeks. Now look at me, one of my dream cars. Javen is driving that car. Man, but yeah, like I was saying, man, life, you know what I'm saying? It could change. For the better or for the worse. I just thank God mine changed for the better. See, that wasn't even all the way on the throttle. That wasn't even all the way on the throttle, bro. And you just have an instant gain of power. That's just me tapping. Like, I ain't even tapping all the way. That's tapping all the way. Like, it's... Listen to him. He's just patting on the gas. Man, bro, I'm loving it. But if y'all like this video, man, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. We finna just continue doing a little more riding like this. I just want to give y'all a short, brief video.